Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about ideal scan, or we can call it zombie scan, using Nmap. Ideal scan or zombie scan, as it referred to sometime, it's a newest and stylized TCP scanning technique supported by famous Nmap. What it make quite interesting is that an attacker can use it to scan a target and blame it on the innocent zombie machine. Before explaining how it can be done, let me start with brief explanation on three-way handshake used to start TCP connect between any two computers. You can see the figure on your screen that illustrate how it's work. Computer A sends sync packet asking computer B to establish connection on port 80. If the port is open, the B acknowledge and sync package and send sync packet in return as well. Third and final step is when A acknowledges that it also receive a SYN from B. If port 80 is closed, B will respond with reset package. Before processing for following illustration, refresh your mind with the following list of TCP communication flags. Synchronize flag stands for initiate connection between hosts. Acknowledge stands for establish connection between hosts. Push stands for accepting request and forwarding buffered data. Urgent stands for instruct data connect contained in package to be proceed as soon as possible. Finish stands for communicates to the remote system of retransmission, and last one is reset stands for reset a connection. Now let's move to our topic, how ideal or zombies can work. Every IP packet on the internet has fragment identification number, that is called IP ID, which is used to incremented by 1 by the operating system of every packet transmission. Hence, if we record the IP ID for a computer, we can compute the number of packets it sent after certain time. Now they assume computer A want to scan computer B while computer C is being used as zombie. First of all, A will first ask to communicate with C. From C's response, A acknowledges C's IP ID is 1030. A sends synchronous flag to one of B's port asking for connecting using C's IP address. B respond to the relevant IP addresses, that is C, with a synchronous plus acknowledge package if the port is open, else if the port is closed, then it will send back a reset or nothing at all. A asks for communicate between C one more time to read its IP ID again. If IP ID is 1035 increased by 2 since the last transmission, then the port is open, assuming that B responds with synchronous plus acknowledge back to C. Hence C had no reply with reset package using IP ID 1035. Else if IP ID is 1035 increased by 1 since the last transmission, then the port is closed, assuming that B simply responds with reset or nothing at all. Hence C did not have to communicate back. You must notice that collect reliable data. It is important that computer C does not communicate with any other devices while running the scan. Otherwise its IP ID will increase dramatically anyway. This is why the zombie device should be chosen carefully to be ideal. Also, as you must have noticed, the scan was performed by sending package without spoofing IP to the target computer. Hence the spoofed IP is blamed for the scan, not yours. Now let's practice the following. Nmap command is an example of how to perform ideal scan. So I'll show you my lab. Here is my Kali Linux and its IP address is 192.168.1.128. Suppose it is our computer B that we want to scan, and its IP address is 192.168.1.131. You can see here, and it's our zombie machine, and its IP address is 192.168.1.134. So let's begin. Nmap dash capital P small n dash s capital I 192.168.1.134. It's our zombie machine IP, and 192.168.1.131. That is our machine B that we want to scan. That means it's our target IP. So just press enter. Here dash SI is used to run ideal scan. Dash capital PN is necessary to state, otherwise package would be sent to the target from real address. And 192.168.134 is zombie IP, and 192.168.1.131 is our target IP address. And you can see here ideals can use zombie 192.168.134 class incremental, and maps can report for 192.168.1.131, and we get the result without directly interacting with our target. So that's all about zombie scan. I am going to share much more interesting videos, so please subscribe for every update and give your feedback to me, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.